reasons you are not building muscle even though you work out. 1. You're not eating enough protein. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle. Without protein, it would be impossible to build, repair, or even maintain muscle tissue. Some of the good protein options are turkey and chicken breast, fish, cheese, lean beef, tofu, beans, eggs, yogurt, milk and soy milk, nuts and seeds. 2. You're not lifting heavy enough weights. If your goal is to increase the size of your muscles, you'll need to lift heavy weights for a few explosive reps. You don't need to triple the weight, but you do need to lift heavy enough to at least challenge your body beyond its normal capacity. That's when change happens. 3. Doing too much cardio. Doing cardio exercises on a regular basis is important for keeping your body fat down. But when it comes to building muscle, cardio exercises won't help you much. Cardio exercises tends to burn calories and puts your body in a deficit, which is great for leaning out, but not building mass. 4. Poor lifting technique. Keep in mind that it is not just about lifting, it is also about lifting safely and correctly. If you are not performing exercises properly, you will not get the results you desire. Poor lifting technique also increases your risk of injury. 5. You're not getting enough calories. Muscles require the essential and right number of nutrients to grow. This includes the protein, carbs, and fat. If you want to build muscle and gain weight, you need to start eating more calories to support muscle growth. 6. You are not doing compound exercises. Compound exercises build size, strength, and power while improving athleticism. Compound exercises are movements that require more than one joint and more than one muscle group. Make sure to include squats, deadlifts, chin-up, bench press, dips, and pulls in your workout. 7. You are not getting enough sleep. It's an elementary rule that after you train hard, you should allow your muscles a recovery time to grow. For proper muscle growth, an adequate amount of sleep and rest is important. Without enough rest, the muscle doesn't have time to repair and grow. Aim for around 8 hours of sleep each night. 8. You are inconsistent. You need to remain consistent with every piece of your training program. Going back to bad eating habits, not enough rest, and getting lazy at the gym will set you back. You'll lose all the progress you've worked so hard to achieve. You need to give 100% in the gym and 100% out of it if you want to gain some muscle.